Welcome, little explorers, to Counting Adventures. Let's start our adventure with the number 0. Can you say 0 with me? Z E R O 0. Moving forward, we have number 1. Can you say 1 with me? O N E 1. Moving forward, we have number 2. Can you say 2 with me? T W O 2. Moving forward, we have number 3. Can you say 3 with me? T H R E 3. Moving forward, we have number 4. Can you say 4 with me? F O U R 4. Moving forward, we have number 5. Can you say 5 with me? F I V E 5. Moving forward, we have number 6. Can you say 6 with me? S I X 6. Moving forward, we have number 7. Can you say 7 with me? S E V E N 7. Moving forward, we have number 8. Can you say 8 with me? E I G H T 8. Moving forward, we have number 9. Can you say 9 with me? N I N E 9. Moving forward, we have number 10. Can you say 10 with me? T E N 10. Let's count again. Keep practicing. And remember, the world is full of exciting numbers waiting to be explored.